How to make your mic louder in OBS. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about or show you the ways to make your mic louder in OBS. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. Now, first thing first, before you move on to some more advanced troubleshooting measures, it is best to check the first basic. So the default volume setting is never too loud in OBS Studio. So simply increasing it might be a trick. So here's how you could do it. First of all, launch the OBS Studio from your computer. Add a preferred sense and sources to the corresponding boxes at the bottom of the screen. Next, to the source box, you'll see the mixer panel. You'll see the mixer panel on the right hand side. Toggle mark to mic or AUX to the right to increase the volume. If the volume is already up, click on the tiny gear icon in the bottom right corner. Then a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Advanced Audio Properties from the list. After which a new window will open up. Next to the mic's aux property, you'll see a number indicating the volume percentage. Now clear the field and enter a different value. Now do not be confused if the volume is already at 100%. You could go higher as well. Once satisfied you with the mic volume, you could click on the close button. So after that, you could do is check whether you enabled the mic right. So another thing you could do is check whether you enable the right mic or not, since OBS Studio allows you to connect multiple devices simultaneously. So it's pretty to lose track. So luckily the software is pretty streaming. So you could switch between different mics with ease. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.